Hey guys, I'm getting a twang from the inner of the lower two E strings on this. And that's because I believe we've got the saddle way too low. So let's have a quick breakfast. And off to the bench. Now, because we didn't have a very good brake angle at the saddle down on the low E, we're already at a very low action point on this. So any adjustment we have to do is going to have to be done through the nut. Come on. Come on. Come out of there. Wow. Well, that sucked. Yep, we've been here before because there's the mark from us sanding it down. So we've sanded it down just a little too far. Yep. Okay, where do we go from here? And so with these simple tools, we just took some stock plastic and carved ourselves out a little spacer, which is probably about 1.5 to 2 millimeters thick. We're just going to put that under here because it's not ideal because it's more of a, well, it's a pretty hard plastic, but nothing like this. So we're going to see how it works. So there was a little trimming to be done, but we have done it. Now, if you get the saddle out and you forget which way it goes, the compensated ends are for the thinner strings. So slip this back in there. We've just added about 2 millimeters of play. So now let's bring her up to tune and see how it sits. Well, it's not twanging now. Sound good to me. All right. Well, drink. So we've got about 2 1/4 up here, going into 2 through the middle, and even a 175 at the bottom. That's a little bit high for what I like, but at the same time, it's not bad. So I may leave it here, or there is a little bit of room left for relief. We could give that just a little twitch. Yeah, let's do that. We got the thing out. We got all of everything set up. Let's just loosen them off. Tighten this a little bit because that will bring the headstock back a bit, lowering this. I know you're not supposed to do action height with the truss rod, but it works. It's like a fine tuning. You know, we've got it narrowed down pretty good, but a little tweak may help. So let's go. And as usual, I'm not telling you what size of 6-sided L-shaped adjustment tool. Not a paid promotion. I won't tell you what size this is because you got to go find out for yourself because guitars differ. Now what we want to do is tighten this. So we want to go this way, but we only want to go about a 1/4 turn or so. And then we will bring it back up to tune and see how it sits at that point. Maybe not right to tune because, well, we might have to adjust it again. And we don't want to have to do these strings too many times. So let's bring it up. So the thicker strings are just 2 millimeters or 2 and a slice. I'm good with that. I think we should probably leave it there. So that's the saddle tweak. So there we've tweaked this Vangoa VA20CE BKML, which was matte black, but we removed the matte black. Either way, we've got a 12-string guitar that is playing well enough for what we need it to do. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Tell me what I did right, did wrong. I know I do things wrong. I'm not a luthier, just an old guy with too much time on my hands. So with that, thank you for watching. We'll get you next time. Bye now. Catch you next time. Bye now.